Hello children, how are you? I hope I'm finding you in good spirits. Today we are going to learn about female reproductive system. Let us do very simple method about how to draw a female reproductive system. Are you ready with your pen, paper, erasers? Okay, now let us start drawing this diagram. We know that we have pair of ovaries in females. Here we will see the frontal view. What we are going to do is see slowly and slowly only I am drawing. I am not going very fast so that you can also draw along with me. Are you done? See, you're going to draw it like this. Now these are the oviducts. Here you will have ovary present. We will just draw the ovary. These are the oviducts. Like we had sperm ducts, we have oviduct also. Now oviducts takes ovule. We know that only one ovule is secreted every month. Rarely we see two ovules are secreting. So every month one ovule is secreted from one ovary. Alternatively, if right ovary is secreting ovule in current month, the next month this ovary, the left ovary, will be secreting the ovule. Now let us make the ovaries. These are like this. Now they are present in the lower abdomen of our body, of female body. Now this is how we are going to draw this. We have to draw it symmetrically. See? So draw it together. Like this. Leave an opening here. You will be automatically come to know why we have done this. While you are drawing the diagram, leave here also. See, now I'm going to explain you also all these. Like this, and you are going to join this. You can have it like this, try it like this. Okay, now these are the ovaries. Ovary, you can give the name, right ovary, left ovary, if you want to. This is the oviduct or fallopian tube. We also call it a fallopian tube. And this is uterus. We will draw it like this. Uterus. I'll just explain you. And this is known as vagina. Now what happens, students? When the ovule is secreted from the ovary, it comes from the oviduct and it travels here. This is the space, this is the place. This is the place here where the fertilization takes place. When the sperm which is deposited on the vagina it travels here till it travels through the uterus. It comes, it reaches the oviduct. This is the site for fertilization. Here the fertilization takes place. The first cell, that is the zygote, is formed, and it travels here and it comes to the uterus. Uterus, wherever it finds the space, it gets itself attached to the uterus. Suppose it is finding its space here, so it gets attached itself, the embryo, till here. When it reaches uterus, it has changed into embryo. It attaches itself to the wall of the uterus. It develops a connection which is known as placenta. Placenta is the connection between the growing fetus and mother. It supplies food, water and other nutrients to the embryo or the fetus, and the fetus gives all the waste products. It pours all the waste products into the blood vessels of the mother. Now this is uterus, and this is the tunnel, or you can say the vaginal passage. Now when the fetus is grown, it reaches its full gestation period, then the fetus comes out of the female body through vagina. Okay, so this is how we make female reproductive system. I hope you have understood, you have drawn with me. You have drawn it, and you have now you know the easy technique to draw the female reproductive system, and you will not face any problem while drawing it in your notebooks or in your exam, and you will enjoy drawing it. Okay students, I hope to find you with another video. Till then, good day and enjoy.